Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to integrate Klaviyo with WooCommerce 2023. Step 1. Installing the Klaviyo Woocommerce plugin. Click on the plugins option and then click the add new option. And then, in the search bar, search for the word Klaviyo. And then install it. Now, click activate. For configuring the Klaviyo Woocommerce plugin, you need to log into Klaviyo account. In the account, click on Settings, API Keys. You will find here Public API Key. Copy it. Go to WordPress and navigate to the plugin. In the plugin WooCommerce, click on Settings and then enable Klaviyo sign-up forms. Enter the preferred list ID. Subscribe contact to email marketing. And then save settings. Enabling the WooCommerce integration in Klaviyo. From the side navigation menu, navigate to WooCommerce, Settings, Advanced, and REST API. To generate a new API key by clicking on the Add key. Now, on the Generate API key, you will get your consumer key and consumer secret. Then, click on the Generate API key. Go back to your Klaviyo account. Navigate to Integrations. And then, search for WooCommerce in the All Integrations. Click on Add Integrations button for your WooCommerce integration. Open Klaviyo WooCommerce integration. Store URL field. Paste the consumer key that you just generate. Paste the secret key that you just generate. Fill in all other detail according to requirements. And that's it. You have completed the Klaviyo WooCommerce integration. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.